Man, oh man, since I'm out here just resting, figured I'd go over a little, I don't know, what's all been done to the bike. I guess we can just start off at the front and make our way back. Got the Puig windscreen. Looks pretty good, nice and tall. Works pretty good. I prefer taller windscreens because they look better and they protect you from the wind. And I don't like when windscreens are totally black, so looks pretty OEM plus with the black at the bottom that fades into the clear. And then we've got, what is this called again? Driven Racing block off mirrors, block off plates. Not a huge fan of mirrors. They just look like freaking Shrek ears on this sucker, so I had to delete those. And we got some LED lights. What else we got? Got some sweet Pirelli Corsas. We got Domino grips, of course. Always got to do Domino. Domino is the way. Is the only way. We got some, I don't know what bar ends. I think these are Puig or Vortex. I'm not sure. Anyway, some sweet bar ends to match the bike. What else we got? We got some Vortex frame sliders. We got GV Racing covers. Got the rectifier relocated to the side. We got, what else we got done on this bike? We got the TWM gas cap. I love the blue touch on that. Looks so good. And the OEM ones suck. They look hella old, and the keys always break in them, so gotta switch it out. We got a Puig tank protector. Got some carbon fiber. I'm not sure where it's from, but it looks pretty good. We got another Pirelli Corsa in the back. Super sticky. I'm not good enough to use this whole tire, but I'm telling you, it feels amazing. I just feel very confident in this bike whenever I'm on this sucker. GV Racing rear spools. M4 exhaust with a tune. It's been tuned. It's got a really good tune on it, I would say, because it doesn't like pop and bang and whatever whatnot on D-cell. It just pops a little bit when she's hot and like on upshifts. I love it. It's so subtle. It's like, I don't know. I love that. I love it how it's just not so awfully obnoxious. Just a little bang when you're upshifting up feels so rewarding. Got the TST plate delete, or I don't know, like the diaper delete plate relocator. Works pretty good. I love how clean that is. I love the open tail. Looks so good. I love it when you can look right through the tail. What else we got going on? We got a car coming by. What's up? What else? No, it's pretty stock. Just a couple things here and there. Oh, we got a Mustang. What else? Oh, this guy's cruising. What else has been done? That's basically it. Not a whole lot has been done to this bike. It's still pretty stock. Just little things here and there to clean it up a little bit and make it look a little cleaner. GV Racing engine cover again. Just a little one. I don't really like these huge ones. It looks like just like a big fat circle. Not really a huge fan. That's why I didn't get that one. Yeah, little things here and there. I got a bolt kit for it because there's like mismatching hardware, so I got a bolt kit. Little things here and there just to clean it up. I did drop it on this side, so there's a little oopsie there, and I wrecked the spool. On the bottom of the shifter there's a little scuff, and I did scratch it right here. That's why I got the covers, of course, and I did mess this guy up, so I replaced that. Luckily my bar end did not mess that up. I cannot find these bar ends, so I'm super happy I didn't scratch it or anything like that. And of course the other clutch lever snapped right off, so I'll replace that. I think there is a scuff on the fairings, but it's hard to find. I don't know. Oh, it might be here. No, I don't know. It's hard to find. Anyway, yeah, she runs good. I got a TST signal light relay, because with the front deleted, then these suckers will just flicker like crazy. So I got a different relay in there, so it doesn't flicker like awfully crazy. But yeah, that's basically all it is. I got what else is there? I got some different what is it? EBC brake pads. I think that's the name. I would like to do some braided brake lines, like the Core Moto ones. Just some black ones, just like have it look OEM plus. But yeah, just a quick little build breakdown, you know. I've had people ask me if I've repainted the wheels. The wheels are not repainted. They're still OEM. They have a couple scratches, but they're in pretty good shape. Oh, bro, we got the tractor coming. But yeah, Pirellis, man, I love them. But yeah, that's the setup. I'm gonna keep ripping. I'm just letting her cool down. I got a little more to go, and then I'm gonna head on home. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.